only your sense of smell. Okay, so you're going to smell.
Pero bakit ako yung
Okay?
smell?
Wait lang.
That smells like cologne. Cologne.
Ano?
Okay.
Cologne.
Do not look. Very good.
Look in your
Smell.
Sense of
I
smell.
just smelled it and it's orange.
Wait, sir, wait. Yes, very good, Seth. How about touch? Let me.
Next na meron.
You smell it. Smell it.
Kasi ito teacher?
What is that touch? Very good. How about Willa?
Hello? Smell what?
Orange. Orange.
Okay, very good. Next.
This one. Show mo. What's that?
Ano ba?
Yung malunggay.
Pambango?
Oh, what English na pa ba?
Ha?
Sige, ito din, teacher.
Cologne.
Hindi, perfume.
Perfume.
Smelling again.
Nasa tayo, teacher.
Perfume.
Okay, very good. Seth. How about Katrina?
What's that? Onion.
Very good, onion. Okay, how about Taj?
Wait lang,
Okay.
kumain pagkatapos. Diyan ka lang, harap.
Ah,
Turn niyo.
how about this one? Smelling of hold mo. Properly. And hold mo.
Orange.
Ay, yung baby ko.
Wow,
Very
very
good,
good.
orange. But,
Okay, Taj.
ano?
What's that?
Wala mo.
Powder.
Alam na, smell.
Powder, very good, Willa. Willa, do not look, ha?
Ano?
Smell mo.
Ito. Kamatis.
Oh, don't look ah, don't look ah. Ano
Don't look, ha? Don't look. It's only your sense of
Hindi
smell.
na amoy ito.
Can you smell?
Naamoy ko. Hindi ko alam kung ano yun.
Amoy mo to, naamoy mo to eh.
So, how does it smell?
Tuwan-tuwa ako sa yung mga bata.
Ginger.
No, it's not ginger.
Fishy?
Fishy.
Oh, so, it's fishy. What is it?
Fish.
Fish? Malapit na. Okay, we will reveal later. Okay.
I think that's
Saan nilalagay ito?
Alcohol, again.
Okay.
onion.
Okay, very good.
na.
Powder. Amoy ko.
Good talaga sila. They are using their sense of smell.
Tuyo.
Candy, no, it's not candy.
What's this?
Wow, si Seth.
Fish.
Powder.
Fish.
Very good. Oh, wag mong hawakan ah. Ano mo lang?
Touch, do not hold it. Do not touch it. You just smell. Mom will be the one to hold it, okay?
What's that?
Smell lang, smell.
Can
you smell?
Water is a glass of water of mine.
Why?
What is water? Smells like
How do you know it's
Oh,
water?
what's that?
perfume. Yes.
Yes, very good.
Hello.
It's bad smell?
Ito.
Is there a last one?
May smell ba yan?
Wala. Tapos na kami, teacher.
Okay, wag mo munang tanggalin yung
Huwag mo muna
blindfold niya.
tanggalin. Huwag mo muna tanggalin.
That's just water.
Water.
Okay.
Ano siya dito? Hindi pa siya dyan.
How about
Ano
later?
yun lang? Huwag mo
Wait
papahawa.
lang, baby.
Ano yun? Lalay.
Doon ka maghanap.
Okay, do not remove your blindfold.
Natatanggal! Natanggal! It's too big!
Ah, ito na last one.
Onion! Onion! Powder!
Oh.
Onion!
Tapos na kami, teacher.
Okay, sige. Huwag niyo muna puntahan
This
yung
one,
blindfold. Very
that's
good.
blindfold.
Okay, Taj. Do not hold it, Taj. You smell only.
So, one.
So,
What is that, Taj?
Alone.
what do you think of that?
No.
Make a guess, make a guess.
Not bad.
But again, make a guess. Come on.
What is that?
Make a guess. Wait, no.
Fish. The last thing.
Okay.
Wait lang.
Are you done na, Taj?
Doon na ako.
This one na.
Still.
How about this one? Ay. Meron.
Remedy. Oh, remedy. Let me off the light now.
What?
Founder.
Okay, very good. Okay.
And last one. What's that? What's that? What's that fish?
You want
Touch
to
that.
drinks, ha? Water. Tandahan, puno.
Don't touch the nap. You smell. You smell.
You want to drink, sir? You want to drink?
What? What do you think is this? Come on.
Ito was my lip.
Touch.
Flower.
Okay, it's a flower.
Dami siya. Adan. Dami siya dyan. Dami siya dyan.
Okay. Okay, all are done. Okay, reveal the objects and food. Okay.
Kasi
Look at the things that you smell.
Ano smell mo?
Reveal mo your blind.
kaya
Si
pala
Chef ba
mabaho
Chef ba kumakain ng tuyo?
Yes.
Bakit alam yung tuyo?
Yes, ano, church.
Just like my daughter
Get it smashed.
also.
Just smell again.
Eating tuyo.
Oh, look.
Taj, what are you doing, Taj?
This is the one you said na something fishy. This is bagoong. Pero this is raw bagoong, but the cooked bagoong, di ba masarap?
Taj, you wash
Oh,
your
yeah.
hands because you touch the tuyo. Okay?
Because you had a hard time.
kaya pala mabaho onion.
Okay. So, did you enjoy the little activity that we had?
Uy, ba't nakasarap?
Yes.
Okay. What is the sense organ